Welcome to Pipeliner CRM. Today we're talking about synchronizing on your mobile app. So when you have your mobile app, we have two different ways of synchronizing that we're going to talk about right now. In the lower left-hand side, if you click on the menu button, you'll notice on the very top of the screen we have two things. One is called the synchronization button that you see in the upper left-hand side. We can also sign out and sign back into Pipeliner that'll do a full synchronization using that single gear that you see in the upper right-hand side. Let's talk about both of them right now. First, I'm going to click on that single left-hand side synchronization button. It's pushing data of things that I might have modified in Pipeliner, pushing it up to the cloud where it's going to be stored on a server, making it available for your desktop application to then be able to see that data that you've changed. Another thing that we have, if you go back to the menu in the lower left-hand corner and click on that single gear, you have a way of setting up the automatic synchronization where that synchronization is going to happen automatically. So make sure that that's turned on. That can be very helpful for you. Also, we can do a full synchronization, and any updates to our software would also be brought back down to our mobile app, and click on sign out. That will do that. You'll notice when you sign out it says, hey, did you synchronize first? Which we did. We clicked on those arrows that are going around in a circle on the upper left hand side. That was the synchronization button, so we did that first. You want to do that before you sign out. Then you can go ahead and sign out, and now you can sign back in. Thank you for joining me.